everyone, and welcome back to this channel. Now in this video we're going to walk through how to add animated text in your Capcut using your PC. So the first thing you're going to do is open up Capcut and import the video you want to add your text to. So this is the video, I've imported it. Now I want to add a text to this video, so I'm going to click on the text option up here. So you can see the text option in the left sidebar. So the next thing I'm going to do is choose a text style. Now we have different styles. So let's see the text. We have text effect, trending, basic. Let's use multicolor. So let's say I want to use this one. So once you've chosen a text style, then you can customize it. You can see it showing. Now I can customize it. I don't need to customize it since I already chose a multicolor one. The next thing, but you can adjust the size, the alignment, and everything like that if you want. So let's pull the text want to show from here. So I click on it. This is where you can adjust. Don't forget to highlight the text on the timeline. Then over here you can write the text. Edit the text you want to write. Let's say our text is going to say just smile. Then the font, we can decide to change the font. We don't want to use the system fonts. Okay, unfortunately I don't have any fonts. Okay, I do. I do. So I can decide to change the font. Let's say I want it like this. Just smile like this. In case you're wondering, this is where it starts from. So you can see just smile. Okay, this is the font I want to use. Let's say I want to change it. So you can see the way it looks. So change it to the font you want. So we can see all the different fonts, and then you can decide to increase the size or reduce the size. It depends on you. The pattern, you want it bold, you want it underlined, italics. Then the case, you want everything to be capital, everything to be small, or capital and small. I like the small one best. Then you can choose the color, character, the line, alignment, the preset style. You can change the preset style. You can change the transformation, the scale, everything. Anyway, we also have the bubble under it. We want to add a bubble. You can download another bubble if you want. Then you can also add effects. Now we're learning how to animate the text, so we want to do that. Now let's choose an animation. Let's choose an animation. This is animation. Tap on animation. So let's choose the animation we want. So let's say we want to use this one. You can see it. Just smile. We can make it longer. So nice. You can see it. So that's it. So after adding the animation, you can even rotate the text if you want. You can read in, you can do out, you can do it on a loop. So it depends on you. There are different types of animation here, different types, but I like the one I chose. Then once you're through, you can use more advanced animations by using the keyframes to control the position, size, and opacity of the text at specific points in time. You want to make it more, different or advanced. Then you can adjust the timing of your animation to match the rhythm of your video. So once you should preview your video with the animated text to ensure it looks as intended, and if you're satisfied, then simply export. Let's see if it looks as we want it to look. So we can bring it down. You can adjust the position on the video. Let's say I want it to be here. I want you to see her smile. So let's do that again. And she does smile. So pretty. So once you're satisfied, I'm satisfied with my video, simply click on export and export it to where you want. Now, let me give you some tips for creating engaging animated text. Keep it simple. As you can see, I kept mine extremely simple, but at the same time, it's really nice. So that's it. Avoid overly complex animation. I want to show you. See? Avoid overly complex animations that can distract from your message. If you can see, my message is pretty clear. Just smile. Also, choose animations that match the tone and style of your video. So you can see my video is kind of like in black and white, but minuted text is a bit of color, makes it look great. Then use subtle effects. Small subtle animations can be more effective than large flashy ones. That's again my point. And then you can try different animations and combinations to find what works best for your video. By following these steps, you can easily add eye-catchy animated text to your videos using Capcut on your PC. I believe you found this video helpful. If you have, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. See you in the next video.